హాయ్ టు ఎవరివన్. ఈరోజు వీడియోలో 4th క్లాస్ మ్యాథ్స్ మ్యాజిక్ వర్క్ బుక్ యూనిట్ నెంబర్ 2 నెంబర్స్ యూనిట్లో ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్ షీట్స్ 1 నుంచి 13 వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్ షీట్స్ అట్లాగే అసెస్మెంట్ గురించి ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. 3, 4, 5 తరగతుల అన్ని సబ్జెక్టులకి సంబంధించినటువంటి వర్క్ బుక్ వర్క్ షీట్స్ కోసము, వాటికి సంబంధించినటువంటి వీడియోస్ కోసము, అట్లాగే ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ వరకు ఇంగ్లీష్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి కంటెంట్ ఉన్నటువంటి వీడియోస్ కోసము, టీచర్స్కి స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఎడ్యుకేషన్కి సంబంధించి మనకి ప్రతిరోజు కూడా వచ్చేటటువంటి అప్డేట్ అయినటువంటి టాపిక్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటికి సంబంధించినటువంటి వీడియోస్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటి కోసము మన ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. వీడియో కనుక నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, అట్లాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకా ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా మనం వర్క్షీట్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. వర్క్షీట్ 1 సబ్ టాపిక్ రిప్రజెంటింగ్ ద నెంబర్స్. రిప్రజెంట్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ నెంబర్స్ ఆన్ ద స్పైక్ అబాకస్. సో ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చినటువంటి 64,327 ఈ నెంబర్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటిని ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి అబాకస్లో బీట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటిని ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ 64లో 6 ఏదైతే ఉందో 6కి సంబంధించి ఇక్కడ 6 సర్కిల్స్ చేయాలి ఇట్లా. నెక్స్ట్ అట్లాగే సెకండ్ వన్ వచ్చేసరికి 4 ఇలాగా దీన్ని కంప్లీట్ చేయాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఫస్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసరికి 7 ఇలా సర్కిల్స్ చేయాలి. ఇది ఫస్ట్ యాక్టివిటీ, స్టూడెంట్ యాక్టివిటీ. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ వన్ వచ్చేసరికి రైట్ నెంబర్స్ ఇన్ ద గివెన్ బాక్సెస్ బై రీడింగ్ ఆన్ అబాకస్. 3, 6, 0, 4 3600, 4, 9, 3, 4, 2, 9 93,429, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2 33,332. Next one red 8, blue 4, 2 pink 0 5 84,205, 8 4 2 5 1 84,251, 9 9 9 9 9 99,999. Worksheet number 2 subtopic number names. Write the number names for the following numbers. One is done for us. Second one 45,064, 45,064, 56,430, 56,430. Next one 62,354. Next one 81,918. Next one 98,765. Next one 99,991. 99. Write the number names for the following numbers by keeping commas. First one 23,147. Next one 40,608 for this. Next one 55,655. Next one 70,008. Next one 80,000. Next one 90,504. Worksheet number 3 subtopic numbers. Write the numeral for the number names. First one 5,666. Second one 10,465. Next one 11,111. $30,604, 40,503, 44,112, 50,062. Sorry, ఇక్కడ 62 జీరో పడింది. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 63,257. Worksheet number 4 subtopic short form of the number. Write the number that has first one 1 10,000, 9 thousands, 400, 5 tens, 8 ones, that is 19,458. Next 3 ones, 2 tens, 600, 7,000, 4 10,000s, that is 47,623. Next one 6 10,000, 8 ones, 2 hundreds, 3 thousands. That is 63,208. Next one, 5 ones, 8 hundreds, 4 ten thousands, 7 thousands. 47,805. Next one, 8 thousands, 2 hundreds, 6 ten thousands, and 80. 68,280. Worksheet number 5, subtopic place value. First one, what is the place value of 8 in each of the following numbers? One is done for you. 36,008 means 8 ones are 8. 48,069. Place value of 8, 8,000s are 800. 8,000. 82,462. Place value of 8, 8 10,000s are 80,000. 95,837. Here the place value of 8, 800s are 800. 98,999. Here the place value of 8, 8,000s are 8,000. What is the place value of 4 in each of the following numbers? First one, the place value of 4, 4,000 are 4,000. Second, 4 ones are 4. Third, 4 ten thousands are 40,000. Fourth one, 4 thousands are 4,000. Here, the place value of 4, 4 thousands are 4,000. 4 hundreds are 400. Number 3, what is the place value of 6 in each of the following numbers? The given number is 30,964. Here the place value of 6, 6 tens are 60. Here the place value of 6, 6 ones are 6. 62,493. Here the place value of 6, 6 ten thousands are 60,000. 64,387. Place value of 6, 6 ten thousands are 60,000. 86,300. Place value of 6, 6 thousands are 6,000. 93,693. Place value of 6, 600s are 600. What is the place value of 0 in each of the following numbers? First one, place value of 0. 0 ten thousands are 0. Place value of 0. 0 ones are 0. Place value of 0. 0 hundreds are 0. Place value of 0. 0 thousands are 0. Place value of 0. 0 hundreds are 0. Place value of 0. 0 ones are 0. Worksheet number 6, subtopic place value. Write the place and place value of the following underlined digit. The given number 4,529, underlined digit 2, place value 20, tens. Given number 33,862, place value of 8, hundreds, place value 800. 53,693, underlined digit 3, place value of 3, thousands, value 3000. 60,349, underlined digit 3, place value of 3, hundreds, place value 3. 65,709, underlined digit 6, 10,000s, value 60,000. 72,305, underlined digit 7, 10,000s, value 70,000. 86,924, underlined digit 6, thousands, value 6,000. 94,269, underlined digit 9, 10,000s, value 90,000. 95,008, underlined digit 5, place value thousands, value 5,000. Underlined digit 0, place value ones, value 0. Worksheet number 7, subtopic expanded form of the numbers. Write the expanded form of the following numbers. One is done for you. Second one, 9,090. 9,090 plus 0, 27,453. 20,000 plus 7,450 plus 3, 45,064. 40,000, 5,000, 0, 60 plus 4, 47,300. 40,000, 7,300. 60,024. 60,000, 0 plus 0 plus 20 plus 4, 70,008. 70,000, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8. Write the short form for the following numbers. Expanded form is given. We have to write the short form of the given numbers. First one, 60,000 plus 200 plus 6,000 plus 200 plus 90 plus 5, 6295. 30,500 plus 30, 30,530. 40,000 plus 6, 40,006. 40,000 plus 5,000 plus 40 plus 9, 45,046. Next 50,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 6, 52,356. 60,000 plus 600 plus 6, 60,606. 70,000 plus 300 plus 6, 3,000 plus 6, 73,008. 80,000, 8,000, 800 plus 80 plus 8, 88,888. Worksheet number 8, subtopic comparison of the numbers. Put the correct symbol greater than, less than or equal to in the space given. 4,158 equals to 4,000. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసరికి ఇది less than 4,518. Next 99,999 greater than 89,999. Next 85,458 less than 85,548. 68,948 less than 78,949. 93,508 less than 93,607. 14,764 less than 467. Next 7th one, 37,523 less than 37,623. 20,000 less than 30,000. 33,133 greater than 31,333. 96,485 greater than 69,487. 64,024 less than 64,204. 68,740 less than 86,740. 44,735 greater than 42,475. 30,685 greater than 3,685. 20,120 less than 20,220. 39,800 less than 39,900. Worksheet number 9, subtopic ascending order and descending order. First one, arrange the following group of numbers in ascending order. Given numbers are 94,252, 76,766, 70,342, 87,132. Ascending order 70,342, 76,767, 87,132, 94,252. Next one, ascending order 37,928, 61,365, 92,123, 92,988. Next one, ascending order for the given numbers are 12,348, 24,367, 55,550, 67,238. Number 2, arrange the following group of numbers in descending order. Descending order of the given numbers are 98,887, 90,887, 9,887, 8,887. Next B, 86,654, 86,546, 86,465, 84,665. And the next C, descending order of the given given numbers 82,201, 36,802, 18,102, 15,801. Worksheet number 10, subtopic the smallest and the largest number. Circle the smallest number. Among these numbers, the smallest one 36,506. B, smallest one 9,077. C, smallest one 24,322. D, 5,790. Number 2, circle the largest numbers. Among these numbers, the largest one 89,580. B, largest one 86,392. C, 51,111. D, 92,991. Worksheet number 11, subtopic the smallest and the largest number. Complete the following table using the digit in second column without repeating the digits. Given digits are 5627. Largest number 7652, smallest number 2567. Given digits 4135, largest 4-digit number with using 4135, 5431, smallest one 1345. Digits 9247, largest 4-digit number 9742, smallest 4-digit number 2479. Given digit 6248. With the help of these given digits, we can form the largest number, that is 8642, and the smallest one 2468. Given digits are 6802, largest one 8620, smallest one 2068. Given digits are 1263, largest number 6321, smallest one 1236. Given digits are 5031, largest number 5310, smallest one 1035. Given digits are 4385, largest number 8543, smallest number 3458. Given digits are 9657, largest number 9765, smallest number 5679. Given digits are 2103, largest number 3210, smallest one 1023. Given digits are 6892, largest number 9862, smallest number 2689. Given digits are 7501, largest number 7510, smallest number 1057. Worksheet number 12, subtopic predecessor and successor. Write the predecessor and successor for the following numbers. One is done for you. 50,430, 50,432, 49,500. Before number 49,499, after number 49,501. 7,638. Before number 7,637, after number 7,639. Given number 1638, before number 1637, after number 1639. Given number 34,035, before number 34,034, after number 34,036. Write the number that comes just after and just before the given number. 71,986, after 71,987. 68,323, after 68,324. 38,205, before 38,204. 59,360, before 59,359. 60,000, before 59,999. 46,230, before 46,229. Do the following sums. Write the successor of the largest 3-digit number, that is 10,000. Write the predecessor of the largest 3-digit number, 998. Write the predecessor of the smallest 3-digit number, 99. Write the predecessor of the smallest 4-digit number, 999. Frame questions for the following statements. First one. The predecessor of 45,925 is 45,924. This is the given statement. Based on the given statement, we can frame the question as, write the predecessor of 45,925. The successor of 82,999 is 83,000. We can frame the question like, write the successor of 82,999. The successor of 24,444 is 24,445. And the question is, write the successor of 24,444. Worksheet number 13, subtopic word problems. First one, the prices of 4 air conditioners are 57,860, 58,760, 58,860, 56,780. What is the cost of the cheapest air conditioner? The cost of the cheapest air conditioner is 56,780. Population of Lakshadweep in 2001 was 60,650 and in 2011 it was 64,473. In which year the population is high? In comparing these two, means 2001 and 2011, the population is high in the year 2011. Problem number 3. The teacher asked Madhu to write the numeral for 54,009. He wrote 5,40,009. Was he correct? If not, what is the correct numeral? No, it is wrong. 54,009 is correct numeral. In a petrol bunk on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 13,750 liters, 18,640 liters, 14,832 liters of petrol was sold respectively. What is the highest quantity of petrol sold during these days? On Tuesday, the highest quantity of petrol sold during these days. Subtopic assessment. Write the number names for the following numbers by placing commas. Given number 34,786, 34,786. Second one 71,652, 71,652. Write the numerals for the following number names. 8,565 means 8,565. 56,872, 56,872. 84,063, 84,063. What is the place value of 2 in each of the following numbers? Place value of 2 in the given number, that is 2. Second one, place value of 2 is 2000. Place value of 2, 200. Place value of 2, 20. Place value of 2, 20,000. Write the expanded form for the following numbers. The first one 6,834. 6,000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 4, 32,967. 30,000, 2,960 plus 7, 89,006. 80,000, 9,000, 0, 0 plus 6. Write the short form for the following numbers. 4,200 plus 60 plus 8. That is short form 4,268. 60,000, 3,000 plus 800 plus 2. 63,802. 80,500 plus 70 plus 9. 80,579. Put the correct symbol less than or greater than or equal to between the given pairs of numbers. First one 32,563 less than 74,389. 63,568 greater than 63,368. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order of the following numbers: 26,894, 34,563, 48,960, 62,890. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending order of the following numbers: 93,432, 89,999, 75,964, 25,438. Circle the largest number A. Among these numbers, the largest one is 62,312. Among these, the largest number is 78,636. Next one, circle the smallest number. Among these four numbers, the smallest one is 63,253. Among these, the smallest one is 86,461. Complete the following table. 25,897 before number 896, after number 25,898. 45,999 before number 45,998, after number 46,000. 68,000 before number 67,999, after number 68,001. What is the predecessor of the smallest 5-digit number? That is 9,999. ఇది మనకి 4th క్లాస్ మ్యాథ్స్ మ్యాజిక్ సెకండ్ యూనిట్ అయినటువంటి నెంబర్స్ అన్నిట్లో వర్క్షీట్ 1 నుంచి 13 వరకు ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్షీట్లు అట్లాగే అసెస్మెంట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దానికి సంబంధించిన వివరణ. ఐ హోప్ మీ అందరికీ కూడా అర్థమై ఉంటుందని అనుకుంటున్నా. ఛానల్ కనుక ఎవరైనా మొదటిసారి చూస్తూ ఉంటే ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అట్లాగే వీడియో కనుక నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకో మంచి వీడియోలో ఒక మంచి టాపిక్తో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. అప్పటి వరకు టేక్ కేర్, హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ డే.